Today I am going to be assembling a sicarian. I know it's like russtock. It's sicarian ruststalker princeps. Yeah. So it's like this Zacharias dude, but he's like on very slim legs. Yeah. So far. Alright, wrong leg. Okay. Yes, this one. This is the right one. Okay. And as you can see, this model is 3D printed. It is probably the hardest model that I've ever printed, because there is like a lot of small pieces that are very thin. So when you're preparing it for like cleaning it of supports and the different stuff, it's very easy to break off. Yeah, I think yeah, the legs are probably like this. With more glue, and now I'm going to be putting them on the base. Or no. Yes, no, I'm not going to put him on the base yet. Uh, okay, now I'll wait for the glue to dry up a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to be building the body up. I guess no, the glue really doesn't want to do its job. So here's the body. Now I'm going to put the backpack on it, or maybe it's a power pack. I don't know. So he's like has a little. If you look from the front, it's like a little tail. Okay, so now it's for a harder part. I'm going to be gluing a flat. I'm going to be gluing a flat piece to a circular piece. It's actually not that hard, yeah. It's like a really thin hand that he has, and it's like because it's really thin sword. Now I'm going to be gluing the cord claw to his other arm. Yeah, so I glued the cord claw. The glue on the legs has dried up a little bit, so I'm going to put them on a base now. So these guys, they fit on the 40mm basis. This one is a custom one. I downloaded and printed it. So yeah, it's like urban base. So now I wait for glue to dry up on the base. Yeah, and it looks, and yeah, it looks pretty okay. I should have placed it differently, like on this part, so it's like the thing on the base is visible, but I'm okay with it facing this way. So now I think I'm going to glue the sword arm to his body. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it looks actually, yeah, it looks pretty nice like this. Like he's like millennia and posing. Yeah, it's pretty okay. Yeah. I'm going to get the yeah, I think it's okay this way. Yeah, I quite like the pose that he, or I guess it's because it doesn't have any like reproductive organs left, so it's impossible to really know. Yeah, so this fella is almost done. The only thing that's left is to glue the third sword. I know the second sword. So the second sword to this vein. I at first wanted him to do like to have like 3 swords, but because I was not sure if the court law was prince not right was prince ever so, but it's did prince, so I'm doing it with 2 swords and 1 court claw. Yeah, it's also big. This it has a lot of thin parts, so it has a lot of points of failure. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I think I'm putting it like this and just waiting for the glue to dry out. Um, this guy is gonna be the leader of the Hunter Clade guild team that I haven't bought the Skitar yet for, because we really want some original models. It's like Chinese and regular Lego. Chinese Lego may be the same, but it doesn't hit as well as like the original models. Even though sometimes it may be basically identical. Yeah, still waiting for the glue. I think I can like right now glue the mechadendrite for it. I think it makes the most sense to glue the mechadendrite from this side, because he's gonna have the sword on the other side. glue won't. The glue on me won't go away. Ah. Yeah, it's like a big tail or something. Like he's probably gonna use like it's in combat, like a scorpion uses its tail. Yeah, I think yeah, he's gonna do it's like that. I personally think that these guys are one of the best designs that Mechanicus models. I think the only one that are better, like Belisarius Cole and the Castellan robots. Yeah, so this fella is done. I'm only waiting for the for the glue to dry up, and then I'm going to like show him or her or them. I think yeah. So here it is. The glue hasn't dried up in some places, but yeah, it is like this fellow is on a base with really mechanical, really mechanical see mechanicus like. Yeah, it has the sword and the skull on the backpack. There's a cog mechanicum on the backpack is even visible. Yeah, so cool fella. Yeah, really nice model for my collection.